Hi everyone, here we'll have a look on the benefits and limitations of edge analytics in detail. Edge analytics tend to be most useful in industrial environments that use many IoT sensors. In such environments, edge analytics can deliver compelling benefits like near-time analysis of data, reduced latency, scalability, improved security, reduced bandwidth, connectivity, and reduced cost. We'll see in detail about all these benefits in the forthcoming slides. In centralized systems, all the data collected at internet-connected devices or sensors is sent in their raw form to a backend server in the cloud or in a remote data center for processing, which is actually slow. But edge analytics is benefited in such a way that analysis is performed near the data, that too specifically on board of the device itself. So the data can be analyzed in a near real time, that too in a much faster way. Coming to the next point, we can observe that this collected raw data is relevant or uncleared, processed and analyzed to extract any value it contains. Now here what happens is that most of the deployed data is useless and some of the information is inaccurate. But in centralized system, all this collected data is given equal importance until the analysis is complete. So the main benefit of using edge analytics system is to filter out the unnecessary information before analysis, and only the relevant data runs through the higher order systems. By doing this, it results in saving both processing and uploading time, which makes the complicated analytical stage performed on the cloud in a much more efficient way. Further, if edge analytics platform can monitor a sensor array, it might be able to take corrective action when problem occurs. Even if the resolution is not automated, simply alerting an operator to a problem can help him improve the overall uptime. Next benefit is to reduce latency of data analytics. In many environments such as oil rigs, aircraft, CCTV cameras and remote manufacturing environments, there may not be sufficient time to send data to the central data analytics environment and wait for the results to make meaningful impact decisions on the site in a timely manner. In these cases, using edge analytics is more effective to analyze data on the faulty equipment and immediately shut it off, rather than sending data to the central data analytics environment. Edge analytics by its very nature is scalable, because each device analyzes its own data and the computational workload is distributed across the devices. As the number of sensors and network devices grow, the amount of data that they collect also grows exponentially. And this increases the strain on the central data analytics resources to process this huge amount of data. Here, edge analytics enables organizations to scale their processing and analytics capabilities by decentralizing to the sites where the data is actually collected. Coming to security benefits, if data is analyzed on board of the device that created it, then it is not necessary to transmit the full data set across wire. This can help improve security because the raw data never leaves the device that created it. Next, coming to privacy, edge analytics helps to preserve privacy when sensitive or confidential information is captured by a device, like GPS data or video streams. This sensitive information is pre-processed on site and does not get uploaded to the cloud for processing. This means that only privacy compliant data leaves the device for further analysis, and it goes through an anonymizing aggregation in pre-processing. Thus, with the help of edge analytics, sensitive content is preserved without losing out. Edge analytics helps to get around the problem of low bandwidth environments. The amount of bandwidth needed to transmit all the data collected by thousands of these edge devices will grow exponentially with the increasing number of devices. And many of these remote sites may not even have the bandwidth to transmit the data and analysis back and forth. Edge analytics alleviates this problem by delivering analytics capabilities in these remote locations. Thus, work on the backend servers get reduced and analytics capabilities are delivered to remote locations, switching from raw transmission to metadata. Edge analytics in IoT helps to protect against potential connectivity outages by ensuring that the applications are not disrupted by limited or intermittent network connectivity. It comes useful in remote locations or reducing connectivity costs while using expensive technologies like cellular. Next, an in-depth analysis of IoT hardware might make it possible to accurately predict hardware failures in advance. This can enable organizations to take proactive steps to head off a failure. Significant costs are associated with traditional big data analytics. Regardless of whether the data is processed in a public cloud or in an organization's own data center, there are costs tied to data storage, data processing, and bandwidth consumption. Some of the edge analytics platforms for IoT devices use the IoT device's hardware to perform the data analytics, thus eliminating the need for back-end processing. Next, by performing in-depth analysis of IoT devices, it might be possible to gain deep insight into devices' health and longevity. Depending on the environment, this might help the organization to reduce its maintenance cost by performing maintenance when it is necessary rather than blindly following a maintenance schedule. In majority of the industrial IoT applications, data is never even analyzed, which results in wasting much information and lost improvements. Though the volume of data starts inhibiting analysis, using this technology gives a cost-effective way to extract as much use from the data as possible for the benefit of the business. So, edge analytics in IoT curtail the cost of data storage and management. It also reduces the operational costs, minimizes needed bandwidth, and reduces resources spent on data analysis. All these factors combine together to provide significant financial savings. Coming to the limitations of edge analytics, not all the hardware supports it. That is, not every IoT device has the memory, CPU, and storage hardware required to perform deep analytics on board of the device. Next is the need to develop your own edge analytics platform. Edge analytics is still a relatively new technology. Although off-the-shelf analytical platforms do exist, it is entirely possible that an organization might have to develop its own edge analytics platform based on the devices that it wants to analyze. Further, we have issues pertaining to safety and security at the edge and lack of universally accepted standards. The other challenges include restructuring organizations' data strategy in order to avoid silos environment, reluctance of companies to invest in new technologies, and infrastructural constraints. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends.